Hi friends. So today it's all about English grammar. Okay, and the very first grammar that I'm going to cover today is not only but also. And not only but also is a very easy grammar. It is one of the easiest ones, and we have it in your 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th as well as in 12th standard. This comes for 1 mark in your exams. Okay, so let's begin. It is not only but also. Now the question is, when do we use it? When do we use not only but also? Now listen to this very properly. When we have a single object with two different qualities given. Okay, single object with two different qualities, or else if there is a single quality for two different objects. Okay, a single quality for two different objects. In both of these situations we use what? Not only but also. Okay, in a very simple word, in very simple words, I can say that if we have and anywhere in the sentence, and, then we can replace that and with not only but also somehow. Okay, I'm going to, let me show you an example for not only but also. If the question is this: Raj is rich and humble. Look at this. Raj is rich and humble. Now there is a single object who is Raj. Okay, and he is given two different qualities. You can look at this: rich and humble. Like, he is both rich and humble, and there is and in between. Okay, so both of these qualities will be assigned this not only but also. This rich will be not only, and this humble will be this but also. I mean, of course they're not only but also, but I'll be using not only but also before these words. Raj is not only rich but also humble. Okay, if you're finding this very hard, let me explain you another way. What do we do in exams is, wherever we have and, what is the conjunction for rich and humble is and, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'll be replacing this and with the second one, which is but also. Okay, so of course we have assigned this but also to humble, this word, the second attribute, the second quality, the second feature. Okay, and naturally for the first feature, because there are two different features given to Raj, right? He is rich as well as he's humble. So for humble, if I'm using the second one, the second phrase but also, then naturally for the first attribute I'll be giving what? I'll give not only. So your answer thus becomes: Raj is not only rich but also humble. So this is how we do it. Raj is not only rich but also humble. Okay, now when we write the answer in the exams, you have to ask yourself some questions, like, does my sentence make sense, or does my sentence sound natural, or like, does each clause use the same part of speech or tense? Okay, and in your answer, like, just ask yourself, if I omit not only but also and insert and in between those two elements, does my sentence still make sense? Okay, now let me give another example. If the question is this: Sunita is intelligent, Manish is intelligent too. Now look at this sentence. Sunita is intelligent, Manish is also intelligent. Okay, now we can see that there are two different objects. There is Sunita and there is Manish. There are two different objects given. Okay, and both of these objects are given the same quality. Both of them are intelligent. So tell me, how do we do this? It is not only Sunita but also Manish. Both of them have intelligence, right? They both are intelligent. So how do we write? The answer is, not only Sunita but also Manish. But also Manish is intelligent. I hope you're understanding this. Because now there were two different objects for the same attribute. What is the attribute? That both of them are intelligent. Okay, and there are two different objects, Sunita and Manish. So not only Sunita but also Manish is intelligent. I hope you're getting this. Okay, I'll give you some more examples. Okay, you hardly need some examples to observe and understand. Okay, not only but also is a very easy grammar. As I said this earlier, it is one of the easiest ones, and therefore it comes for only 1 mark if it comes in exams. Okay, now the next one. If the question is this: I have a computer, I also have a laptop. Now look at this. I have a computer and I have a laptop. Okay, of course there is this full stop in between, which otherwise would have been substituted with and. I could have also said I have a computer and I also have a laptop, so that full stop works as and. Okay, so I have a computer, I have a laptop. Now look at this properly. We have a single object, I, and the qualities which are given is like I'm having a computer and then I'm also having what, a laptop. So what do I do is I is similar, right? I'll just write it once. I not only have a computer, what is it, I not only have a computer but also a laptop. Okay, I not only have a computer but also a laptop. Okay, or else you can write it this way: I have not only a computer but also a laptop. Even that is uh, right, even that is correct. So I hope you understand this. Not only but also is a very easy English grammar. Okay, last example I'll show before ending this one. Okay, the last example, look at this. Both, let's say both Ram and Lakshman went to the market. Now tell me, how do we do this? Both Ram and Lakshman went to the market. So again, we have two different objects, and the attribute given to both of these objects is what? That both of them have gone to the market. Okay, so not only Ram, what, you know what I said earlier, that instead of this and we can use a second phrase in not only but also, which is what? But also. So what we should give to, which phrase of not only but also should be given to Ram is the first one. Not only Ram, but also Lakshman went to the market. I hope you're understanding my handwriting, because sometimes it's too difficult even for me to decipher what I've written. तो आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया हो. नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो, इट्स नॉट टू टफ, जल्दी समझ में आ जाता है. Okay, if you have any doubt, just comment me in the comment box, or you can just message me anytime. Okay, I hope you understood this, and bye bye. Have a nice day.